Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer branding into WooCommerce theme customizer, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance tab located on the left sidebar. From the drop-down menu, select Customize. This will open the WordPress customizer interface. In the customizer, look for the Site Identities section. Here, you can upload your logo by clicking Select Logo. Choose a logo file from your media library or upload a new one. Once selected, adjust the logo size as needed. Next, enter your site title and tagline. Make sure these reflect your brand's identity. Now, navigate to the Colors section in the customizer. Choose a primary color that aligns with your brand. Apply it to the site background and text. If available, adjust the accent color for buttons and links. Next, go to the typography settings. Select fonts that connect with your brand's voice. Customize font sizes for headings and body text as desired. Now, move on to the header settings. This section allows you to modify header layouts and styles. Choose a layout that best represents your brand. Continue to the footer settings to customize that area. Update colors and fonts to ensure brand consistency. Now, adjust the product settings in the customizer. Choose how your products will be displayed with brand colors. Ensure a cohesive look across product images and descriptions. Next, review the button settings. Select button styles that are consistent with your brand colors. Proceed to the WooCommerce settings if available. Customize the cart and checkout page colors to match. Once all settings are configured, click Publish to save changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.